dichotomizing for power and greed.
Okay, Patches, I know you're gonna love me for this one, but... What's the song? There you go, Patches. There you go. Dogs around the world. Cheese. So dogs around the world, eat your heart. She's ready. She's ready to rock and roll. Patches. She doesn't even... You don't even know you're an internet star, do you, Patches? You just... She's a bit perturbed right now. Good night, Canada. Rock and roll. Have a good one. Love you. I'll go one. I can get out. I'm sure I can get out. I'm sure I can.
Yeah.
I think I can.
Well, let's see. Show the rest of the world you can.
Yeah, I got my pants on.
Yep, that's a good start.
That's a good start.
Better than last night.
I have legs left.
Yep, 2 of them. Come on, you're up to 2.5 minutes. You're taking too long. You're going almost out of...
2.5 man Charlie Sheen, eat your heart out.
Minutes.
2.5 minutes. 2.5 man minutes.
You're almost out of battery power. You gotta get up before the battery runs out.
Rock and roll Canada. I'll be up for this week's show. Oh, hopefully I have my...
Sort of like a flounder here.
You don't have to laugh, guys, because I can do it. I can get up.
That'll teach you to talk to the dog.
Once you start talking to dogs, it all busts out, right? So dogs like start taking over your life. Dogs rule. Patches, where are you? Yeah, Patches left.
Yep.
Trust me, she left. She's not even helping me out. She's the one that got me in this trouble.
Well, almost.
I can do it.
It's gonna be a 3-point landing?
I can do it. I can get off this floor, baby. Is that your purse?
Yeah.
I can get off this floor and I can go out and party.
Voila.
Rock and roll Canada.
This week's episode of Tattoo Shop.